To light from Chennai. Yes, the chess world champion who's being spoken of by each and every Indian. These are visuals that are coming in as we speak from Chennai, a victory parade in Chennai, honoring D. Gukesh, the youngest world chess champion. So yes, let's talk about these visuals that you see on your screens. The man of the moment, really, who every Indian is talking about with so much pride. The second Indian after legendary Vishwanath Anand to win the global title. Remember, Vishwanath Anand, also known as Vishy Anand, of course, was the five-time world champion who last won the crown in 2012. And given the final face-off between D. Gukesh and his Chinese opponent, everybody's been all praises about this young superstar, sports star in the country. I want to go across to Purnima joining us with more details. A victory parade, that we see D. Gukesh take part in. Purnima, tell us about what the mood on the ground is.
Huge roadshow here. It's a procession on the Mount Road here for Gukesh. You can see a lot of students from the sports department here queuing up to congratulate Gukesh. This is a mega roadshow that's organized just ahead of the felicitation that's planned by the Tamil Nadu government. This is the Mount Road, and you can see scores of people here congratulating him. He's getting a hero's reception here in Chennai just a day after he reached. He's the youngest world chess champion, and you can see the kind of crowds that have gathered here on the Mount Road to congratulate him. And these are students who say that he's an inspiration and he is our pride. And you can see there Gukesh in an open air vehicle holding the trophy, and that's Gukesh for you on the screen. There are scores of people from the sports department who've come here, and they say he's certainly an inspiration. And on your screen you can see Gukesh here receiving a hero's reception here in Chennai.
Purnima, I'm sure the excitement, is too much from where you're reporting and you're getting us these visuals. But can you get us some of those voices as well of people taking part in this victory parade alongside Gukesh?
Well, in fact, I'll try to get a couple of reactions for you from here. So how does it feel?
Very happy, ma'am.
You're very happy? He's upright. Are you also interested in sports, particularly in chess?
No.
No. So, if I can get you a couple more reactions, a lot of people here are queuing up. What sort of an inspiration is Gukesh? Are you very proud of his achievement at such a young age? Are you very proud of him at such a young age? Pride on a moment,
Yes,
You're very proud of him.
Yes.
So you also want to become like him and achieve.
I also will achieve in many more games and events. I will try with them.
So what is your specialization?
My specializing, I will playing weightlifting. My will more achievement than next year.
Yeah. So he's an inspiration for many people who are interested in sports, who are pursuing sports. A lot of people here queuing up. These are youngsters. Would any of you like to speak? What is your message to Gukesh? So a lot of them are, in fact, some of them are shy to speak to us, but we'll try to get you more reactions. Would any of you like to speak about Gukesh? So, okay, we'll try to get you more reactions from the girls on the other side. They are quite interested in speaking to us. What is your message to Gukesh? Gukesh, can a message? How proud on a moment for you all?
ரொம்ப ப்ரௌடா இருக்கு
ரொம்ப ப்ரௌடா இருக்கு.
நம்ம இன்ஸ்பிரேஷனா எடுக்கலாம் உண்மையிலேயே ஒரு நல்ல ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிளா நமக்கு அமைஞ்சிருக்காரு.
So he's an inspiration, and he's also making them proud. He motivates them to do better. நீங்களா அவர மாதிரி அச்சீவ் பண்ணனும், இந்த மாதிரி அவார்ட் நிறைய கிடைக்கும்னு ஆசைப்படுறீங்களா?
நிறைய ஆசைப்படுறோம்.
So now they are also motivated, and they say he's certainly the source of inspiration for many, and he's there. This is the roadshow that's planned for Gukesh by the Tamil Nadu government. He'll be felicitated by the Tamil Nadu government. You can see Gukesh there holding the trophy, and this is the mega roadshow on the Mount Road. A few minutes from now, the state government will felicitate him, and that's Gukesh for you. He's holding the trophy, and he's in fact made a lot of youngsters proud. So that's the feeling that we get from Gukesh. Gukesh.
Okay, so a tight-lipped D. Gukesh there, waving the tricolour. And of course, scores of fans have lined up to watch him in person, take part in the victory parade. He's going to be felicitated up next by the Tamil Nadu government as well. But let's use this moment to really hail the contributions made by Gukesh as far as chess in the country is concerned going forward. He was first introduced to the game at the age of 6, 7. At 17, he's seen the world. The 18-year-old Gukesh has become the youngest world chess champion after beating Ding Liren of China in the 14th and the last game of the summit clash. And everybody really, Purnima, has been talking about that nail-biting clash, isn't it? The 14th and the last game of a roller coaster showdown which went down to the wire. And that's why there are several who've been associated with Gukesh through this journey who've said that they've been amazed at his self-awareness and maturity. Purnima, do you also get a sense that Gukesh perhaps is a little overwhelmed by the outpouring of love and support?
Well, you can see a lot of excitement here. In fact, Gukesh, we just tried speaking to him some time ago. He said in fact, it feels great, huge reception for him. And he says that he'll speak more in detail, but that's the word that we are getting in from Gukesh. A lot of people here are in fact very proud of him, and his parents too are here. We'll try to get in a few more reactions from him and his family, but at the moment they say that they will speak in detail later, and there are scores of youngsters who in fact are very proud of him. So what is your message to Gukesh?
Congratulations to Gukesh. He is big inspiration to all of us. Okay. Domalu Gukesh is a big player. I know him 2 years before. He and his coach Vishy Anand is all of us inspiration. Thank you.
So are you also interested in chess?
Yeah, we are playing physical chess, that is fencing. So we like chess. It's a mind game.
It's a mind game. Okay. So what is your message to Gukesh?
We simply congratulate him.
And how does it feel? At 18, he's.
It's very proud moment for us. He's very youngest one in this game.
So you can see here the state government is all set to felicitate Gukesh, and you can see scores of fans on both sides here to receive him. He's in fact gotten a hero's reception here. Some of them are even getting an autograph of Gukesh as he's all set to attend the state government event. On both sides, you have a lot of youngsters from various schools participating in various sports. Also here to receive him, to congratulate him, and to get motivated by the success, by the journey of Gukesh. Back to you.
Oh yes, absolutely. In fact, Purnima, he's somebody who's pulled off many firsts. It was just when he was 12 years old, he became the youngest Indian Grandmaster, the third youngest globally, continued breaking barriers, becoming the youngest to achieve a rating of 2,750, youngest winner of the candidates tournament as well. And there's been no looking back ever since. Have you also been able to speak to some of the chess aspirants? It's been a warm welcome ever since he touched down in India. What is the sentiment of those aspiring to reach that height in the sport? What have they been saying?
Well, in fact, a lot of them are interested in sports now. They say that it certainly is a mind game. And that the state government is also trying to have more chess tournaments in Chennai, which would pave way for more and more children and youngsters to pursue sports. How many of you here are interested in chess? You are interested? So now with Gukesh को ஒரு கப் கிடைக்கிறது உங்களுக்குலாம் எவ்வளவு ஒரு வெற்றியா பாக்குறீங்க செஸ் நிறைய கேம்ஸ் ப்ளே பண்ணி பெரிய One guy who's interested in chess says that Gukesh certainly is a source of inspiration and will help him pursue a career in chess, and a lot of them are involved in various sport activities, and they are here to receive Gukesh.